welcome back to another crypto farm video where today we're going to be talking about Pxlgem. Now this is the first jeweler in the metaverse, and as you can see right here, it's a phenomenal project. Now let me tell you why. These guys are actually planning to get gems into the metaverse so that there's not people around the world who are trying to mine all of these diamonds and actually dying to get this value up. They're just gonna be in the metaverse, so it's very cool. I like the concept, I like the idea, and today I'm gonna run you down through everything that these guys are actually doing. Now first of all, they're doing 100 free NFTs. They're giving them away, so all you need to do is follow, retweet, mention 3 friends, and drop your wallet down below. And essentially they're gonna grow in the future and scale, and they're actually dropping 4.5 months from now. So this is probably the latest drop period I've seen in the more recent times, which is good because these guys are actually giving themselves and the community a lot of time to grow and reach unlimited heights before the drop actually comes, so that they can secure a definite sellout. Now, very cool, definitely something that I am interested in, and if you do enjoy the project, make sure to give these guys a follow on their Twitter page. Check out their Instagram as well. Check out the website as well at Pxlgem. You can find pretty much everything on their Twitter. Now, if you do enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below with your favorite thoughts about Pxlgem. Now, we're going to cover the homepage right now. Welcome to Pxlgem, a rare NFT collection, and a little bit about the ideology itself first and foremost. So their vision is to create a rare NFT gemstone collection with a limited quantity of 10,000 pieces. These gemstones will hold the same value as physical stones, but they're cutting out the dirty part of the procurement, or nobody will actually suffer in mines for these guys' gemstones. They want to provide a space where enthusiasts can trade without any regrets. And further into the project, they're actually planning to implement into the metaverse and become the first jeweler in the metaverse itself. Very cool, as you can see, and we're going to read on a little bit about how it actually started. So Pxlgem was created by Baro. Now, inspired by a friend of him and his family in Sri Lanka, a lot of people are suffering owed by the mining process, right? That motivated these guys to actually create something as beautiful as the gemstones from Sri Lanka for the same exact value. Some more information. So after the official launch, these guys will actually be providing data with the recommended prices to sell your particular stone at. So they want the floor price to suit the prices of real life gemstones with the same characteristics. And to secure that, they're going to need their collectors to know exactly what their floor price is without investing into hours-long research. So these guys are going to provide you with the NFT, they're going to tell you how much your NFT is worth, and they're going to help you sell your NFT if you're looking to sell, or if you're looking to hold and increase the value of your gemstone yourself, you're welcome to do that as well. Now, several community benefits follow this project as well. So there will be 5 infinity stones. This means that they're going to be a 5 stone classifications. So you heard that right, and as a collector, you're eligible for a special giveaway which will be announced in the future, depending obviously on which infinity stone you hold or which type of stone you have. Other than that, there will also be a giveaway of 50 free NFTs for the whole community itself, and another benefit will be announced as soon as they get into phase 2, but it will for sure include benefits in the metaverse itself. So absolutely huge, definitely something I am interested in actually having a look at in the future as well. And when it comes to the charity process itself, further in the process, they will actually host a community poll, so you can decide in which charity you want to invest 10% of the royalties. Basically everything is going to be done through the community, which is why I recommend you give these guys a follow on their Twitter, which is the start of the project before they start moving along into more serious stuff later on, such as the Discord, such as updating of the website, and a lot more social media outlets. Now, other than that, they will actually use $200,000 US to build wells in third world countries from proceeds, and they will be investing into charities as well, and a lot of interesting stuff. So it's very nice to see as well. Basically, what I can tell from this project is that these guys are actually trying to do something good for the world, and they're using the NFT hype to be able to do that. So sort of like a vehicle to actually establish that. And they're going to be providing documentation of the whole building process of the wells themselves, and you can watch the project live and in color as well. So very as well. You see the pun right there, pretty cool. Okay, and lastly, we're gonna go over a little overview of the roadmap. But yeah, 19 weeks until the launch, 4.5 months, 139 days, and the gemstones will actually be coming soon, but they will look very, very nice. It's not actually about the look so much as it is about the value assigned to them, which is going to be the main selling point of the project itself. So first of all, there's going to be a phase 1, which is obviously already there. Brainstorming, developing the final idea, forming the core team, and getting together with community managers, launching these social media channels. So that's currently happening, optimizing the Discord and opening the whitelist, and launching of the website itself. In phase 1.1, the promotion starts on social media, development of the smart contract as well, whitelist giveaways, implementing feedback and ideas from the community, and deciding which charity foundation to support along with the community. Now, in phase 1.2, they're going to decide which metaverse to implement themselves in, NFT giveaways, announcing the mint price, whitelist price, etc., and a lot more. And phase 1.3 is the deployment of the actual smart contracts and designing a minting platform. So announcing the launch date as well, doxing the team, filling up the last whitelist spots. Rarities are to be released with recommended prices in the future. Whitelist launch, official launch, and a lot more. The idea is to create a gemstone NFT collection with a quantity of 10,000 pieces. They're going to be the same value as real life stones, but they're cutting out the immense point. No one will have to suffer to mine the gemstones. They're going to be the first jeweler in the metaverse, which is the whole point of this project. Now, I'm going to open the Instagram in a new tab since I haven't already. I'm going to open the Discord in a new tab since I haven't already. Let's just check it out. Pixel Gemstones. Give these guys a follow on their Instagram. They are running a 1 Ethereum giveaway as well, so definitely recommend checking that out. And obviously join the Discord as well. I'm just going to join into the browser right now just to show you that they are getting started and slowly raising these communities up and getting ready to be the first jewelers in the metaverse itself. So obviously you have to verify yourself first, and once you do, you can check pretty much everything on the Discord, including all of the announcements coming out every day. So that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this Pxlgem first metaverse jeweler review, and if you did enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below with your favorite thoughts about this project. And lastly, I'm not a financial advisor, and anything you do invest into crypto, blockchain, or NFT projects is on your own liability, and you should do your own due diligence. So thanks for watching, and see you guys next time.